Welcome back student, I am Santosh Misra, your account teacher, and today I am going to discuss question 10b of the dissolution of partnership. So in this question, this is very good question. In this question, Mr. Rita Chaudhary and Miss Shobha are partner in a firm. Page number old book 5.94. Fancy garment export sharing profit and loss equally on 1st April 2018. The balance sheet of the firm was as follow. This is the question 10th B. Mr. Rita Chaudhary and Miss Shobha. So the amount of the creditor BP and Mr. Chaudhary's loan. Mrs. Rita Chaudhary is a partner and his husband's loan is given in the liability side of the balance sheet. That's mean it is the outsider creditor worth rupees 15,000 and reserve fund is 24,000. Reserve fund is distributed between the partners in partners capital account, and Mrs. Rita Chaudhary's capital 90,000 and Miss Shobha's capital here 30,000. So these are, first of all we will transfer the liability side of the balance sheet. So while transferring the liability side of the balance sheet, the sundry creditor 75,000, BP 30,000 and Mr. Chaudhary's loan 15,000. This is outsider, and total of all liabilities 1,20,000. So the capital of the partner will be shown here 19,000 and 30,000. So this is the opening balance of the capital account, and reserve will be distributed between the partner in their old ratio. So what is the amount of the reserve? Reserve fund is given in the balance sheet 24,000. So 24,000 will be distributed in their PSR, profit sharing ratio. Sir, what is the profit sharing ratio? This is also given in the question. So say thank you to the question. So 1:1 is the PSR. So 24,000 will be distributed 12,000 in the credit side of the partner's capital account. So whole liability will be transferred either credit side of the realization or partner's capital account. So by balance BD, by reserve. Now the asset side, this is the asset side. Bank balance, opening balance of the bank is given in the transferred in the bank account worth rupees 36,000. Stock is 75,000. Debtor is transferred, debtor will be transferred to the realization debit side of the realization account 66,000, and provision will be transferred in the credit side of the realization worth rupees 6,000. The total of the debtor is 60,000. Plant and machinery 45,000, and land and building is 48,000. So first of all, sir, how we close the books of the old partnership? We transfer all asset in the debit side of the realization account at their book value. Then stock is 75,000, book date 66,000, plant and machinery 45,000, land and building 48,000. The total of all sundry assets is 2,34,000. Provision for bad debts is also given in the question. That's why it is transferred separately in the credit side of the realization account by provision for doubtful debt 6,000. Okay, sir. Now the firm was dissolved on the date given above. The following transaction took place. Mrs. Rita Chaudhary undertook to pay Mr. Chaudhary's loan and took over 50% of stock at a discount of 20%. So Mr. Rita Chaudhary take over the liability of 15,000. So a partner paid any liability, his capital account or her capital account will be credited, and that's so that we will write as to Rita's capital account 15,000, and this amount will be transferred to the partner's capital account, Rita's capital account 15,000. So we post it simultaneously 15,000. So after that she also took over the stock at a discount of 20%, 50% stock. So the stock was 75,000, 50% of stock is 37,500, and if we calculate 37,500 into 80%, it will come 30,000. It will come 30,000. So Rita took over stock at rupees 30,000. So we write here, if partner take over any asset, it is written in the credit side of the realization account and debit side of his capital account. So by Rita's capital 30,000 for stock and to realization 30,000 for the stock. In next point, book date realized 54,000, balance of stock was sold off at a profit of 30% on cost. So after writing all the after transferring all the asset, we will sold the asset. So written as by bank account. Book date 54,000 and balance of stock. What is the balance of stock? 37,500, because 50% stock was taken over by the Rita. So 37,500 stock is remaining, and this stock will be sold at a profit of 30%, that is 11,250, 48,750, then 48,750. So stock is realized at 48,750. Plant and machinery in fourth adjustment, plant and machinery realized 75,000 and land and building 1,20,000. So plant and machinery realized 75,000, land and building 1,20,000. Mr. Rita Chaudhary took over goodwill of the firm at a valuation of 30,000. Mr. Rita Chaudhary took over the goodwill of the firm. This is the plant and machinery realized 75,000 and land building realized 1,20,000. Mr. Rita Chaudhary took over the goodwill of the firm at 30,000. So fourth and fifth adjustment is already discussed. So Rita took over the goodwill. So by Rita's capital for the goodwill 30,000, because if partner take any assets, his capital account or her capital account will be debited. So 30,000 for the stock and 30,000 for the goodwill, total amount is 60,000. Now sundry creditor, after realizing the asset, we will pay the liability. The payment of liability. So we realized total 2,97,750 by the sale of sundry assets, and it is recorded in the debit side of bank account 2,97,750. Okay. Now sundry creditor were paid out at discount of 10%. So creditor was 75,000 less 10% discount 7,500. We will get 67,500. We paid 67,500 to the creditor. BP bills payable were paid in full. That's why 30,000 for the BP and 5,250 is for the realization expenses. So 5,250 for the realization. The total payment was 1,02,750. This is a payment, that's why it is posted in the credit side of the bank account 1,02,750. This is the opening balance of bank account 36,000. After this, for the backup of account, first of all, at the credit side of the realization account 4,83,750 and deduct all these items 2,34,000, 2,34,000 sundry asset, 15,000 Rita's capital for the loan, and 1,02,750 we will get 1,32,000. This is the profit on realization, and this profit will be distributed between the partner in their profit sharing ratio, that is equal 1:1, 66,000, 66,000. These two items will be transferred the credit side of the partner's capital account 66,000, 66,000, and after that we have 1,23,000 and 1,08,000 balance in their capital account, Rita's and Shobha's capital account, and this amount will be paid through bank to bank account, and this is a payment, that's why it is come in the credit side of the bank account. By Rita's capital 1,23,000, by Shobha's capital 1,08,000. The total of the bank account is 3,33,750, 3,33,750. The total of bank account is matched, that's why this is all about the question. So I hope you are understanding the concept. In next video I will discuss more further question. So thank you student, thank you so much.